Good morning, Makati. So come with me for a walkabout in Makati City. This is pretty much my daily routine, and I do a lot of walking. There is no need for taking a taxi or any kind of public transportation. I think I clock about 5 to 10 miles of walking every day. You get all your food, your groceries, your restaurants, your shopping, your meeting friends, etc., all within a few miles area of Makati City. Here's my favorite Taho vendor. It's in my second day in the Philippines. He doesn't even know I'm coming, so he's happy to see me after a long time. And I try to start my day with some taho in the Philippines. It looks like chalk, but it has kind of a nice caramel soy milk type flavor, and it is rumored that it's good for the male body. It's not too expensive, usually 10 to 20 pesos. So after having some Filipino taho, I normally go back to the computer, do some computer tasks, and enjoy the view from my apartment. And I may munch on some breakfast snacks before I head on out to the grocery store at around 10 a.m. The grocery stores in the Philippines, they open up at 10. In Makati, you can pretty much walk to everything you need. You don't need to take taxi. It's a very dense area. You can live in Makati, you can shop in Makati, you can buy groceries. It's all very convenient, clean and safe. So if you're going to stay in the Philippines, my preference is always to stay in Makati. Don't stay in the larger metro Manila area. It can be a bit hit and miss, but Makati is excellent, very safe, very clean. What was that? And then I realized the security guard was carrying a big shotgun, and the little kid was running down the street. He must have really annoyed the security guard, and this is proof that the sleepy security guards in Makati, they do take things seriously occasionally. And here is Greenbelt 1. It's kind of the default center, at least for me, of all the entertainment, action and shopping, supermarkets. And I don't go to McDonald's, but they of course have their little landmark here as well. And this is the front entrance of Greenbelt 1. So this is the corner of Greenbelt 1, and behind me is Starbucks, and this is a daily hangout for me, this area, when I live in Legazpi village. And what I usually do, I don't particularly enjoy the coffees with lots of sugar. I instead go and get some fresh juices inside of the entrance here on Greenbelt 1. You can see that in the distance here, and I'm going to walk you through and show you that. So here's the entrance to Greenbelt 1. Walk in here. Let's see if the security guard will check my bag or not. Kamusta? No, he didn't check my bag. Maybe I look like an honest face. So here's where I get fresh citron, cayenne, and ginger, I think it is. Kamusta? All right. And the other place I get juice in here is at the Big Chill. You can see it in the distance here. Looks like they're doing some renovations. Kamusta? Are you doing renovation?
Yes, sir.
So here's some of the outdoor restaurants in Greenbelt. They're a little bit pricey. I don't usually go here, but there are some food places in Greenbelt that I quite like and not too expensive. One is called Yaki Mix, although I should take that back. That's more like a buffet. That's kind of expensive. But what I do like is Coffee Bean right here. This is like a yuppie kind of middle class hangout for Filipinas and Filipinos. Not too many expats here, so it's a good place to meet real Filipino middle class people. As you may know, coffee, Starbucks coffee is similarly priced in the Philippines as it is in the US, which means for an average person that makes $10 a day in the Philippines to spend $3 or $4 on a coffee, that's a huge amount of income. So the people that go here, they either don't go here every day or they are fairly good, wealthy, middle class Filipinos. So here we have the bridge into Greenbelt 3. And pretty much any lady that you see sitting down here or walking around is approachable and very friendly, and you can strike up a conversation. I usually walk here every day because it's quite pleasant, and you can see there are very nice park designs here. And for those of you who don't believe Filipinos love Christmas, take a look at this. It's now January 8th or 9th, depending on where you are in the world. Look at this. They still showing and celebrating Christmas. Pretty amazing, huh? Filipinos love Christmas.